How's it going, guys? Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today, I'm sure you're here because you're wondering how much bacon are you gonna get from pigs when you raise them on your own farm. Making bacon, baby! We're going for some thicker cuts. This is our first time slaughtering pigs and processing them at home. And now our two pigs that we slaughtered were 262 pounds and 267 pounds right after we slaughtered them. So after everything gets cut down, if this information helps you guys out at all, I would appreciate it if you could support our channel by dropping down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps. Hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of our videos. We post new videos twice a week as we grow our homestead. We'd love to have you grow with us. We did get a decent amount of bacon. We have 26 pounds from two pigs. So simple math, 13 pounds from each pig, roughly. I think we're pretty happy with that. We vacuum seal them into 1 pound packages, and these should give us a lot of good meals. So we're super happy with that. So during the curing process, when we put it in there, we had about 40 pounds of bacon, and with the curing and smoking, it dropped it down to this weight. We borrowed a nice slicer from a friend, and that gave us some pretty good cuts. We only had about one package of like the rare like trimmings, the not your standard bacon trimmings. It's all bits, so basically that's what we have here, one package of that, which ain't bad.
But look at that bacon. That's a lot of bacon.
It's a lot of bacon. It's gonna be yummy.
Yeah, yum. It is.